Imagine you're walking down the street minding your own business. You happen upon another person who is visibly choking. Do you have a legal duty to try to save that person's life, or simply a moral one? For thousands of years, philosophers and jurists have debated this issue. In 1907, the Michigan Supreme Court addressed it in People v. Beardsley. Carroll Beardsley, a married man, was having an affair with Blanche Burns. When Beardsley's wife was out of town, he invited Burns to his residence. The two spent the next 2 days together. During that time, they consumed copious amounts of beer and whiskey. On their third day together, Burns, who was suicidal, decided to consume morphine pills along with the alcohol. Although Beardsley tried to stop her from ingesting the pills, Burns was able to consume several of them. The mixture of the drugs and alcohol caused Burns to pass out. Beardsley panicked, fearing that his wife would return that day and find the unconscious Burns in their home. He arranged with a man renting a room in his basement to allow Burns to sleep there until she revived, at which point she was to sneak out of the residence. That evening, Burns died in bed, never having regained consciousness. Beardsley was charged with involuntary manslaughter in state court. He pleaded not guilty. At trial, the prosecution's theory of the case was that, although Beardsley didn't intentionally cause Burns's death, he owed her a legal duty of care, and his hasty scheme to hide her in the basement rather than getting her proper medical care breached that duty by omission. Beardsley was convicted and sentenced to prison. He appealed to the Michigan Supreme Court.